ibibidyo nga natin para kahit papano makikita natin at makakapagturo tayo sa iba, di ba Kuya Son?
Yan.
At saka mas maganda English yung sagutan natin para kapag pinadala tayo sa ibang bansa, di ba? Tulad may customer tayong English, yung masasagot natin na maayos kahit English Carabao basta nakakasagot ka, di ba Kuya Son? No, videohan ko na. Ha?
English Carabao na yan.
Okay lang yun, at least meron tayong ano. Good morning mga uncle. For today's video, I will introduce the technician for today, Mr. Calventas. Kaway ka naman, Jason. Diba? Mr. Calventas will teach how to disassemble a AC aircon unit window type. Right, Mr. Calventas?
Right.
Yo. What the first step, Mr. Calventas? Remove the control.
Control.
Yeah. I think you need to remove this one, the air swing, the vane, yan, right. And second step, tanggal power, the control.
Power.
First, you need to remove the sensor. Yan, like that. And then, you need to remove this one. Yes, on. Anahin mo. Ikaw to magtuturo. Tuturuan mo nga yung mga viewers eh. Oh, what's next step? You remove the Mr. Calventas, you remove this screw in the lower part.
Tanggal na.
English nga ni. English. Patay. Wag na. Ulitin ko na lang itong video. English nga yung sagot natin Kuya Son eh. What's the problem, Mr. Calventas? Ayaw magpatanggal. You need to put it down and then you access the control board. You need to picture natin. Video na natin para okay na. Video natin. What is the first step to remove the connector or to wiring? Wiring is live. Remove it. What is that called, Mr. Calventas? That one, yellow.
Red.
And
Brown.
No. You don't need to remove that one, Mr. Calventas. You need this connector, pan motor connector. Right? You remove the screw to easy access the connector, Mr. Calventas. I'm right. Yeah. And then, what are you doing if you remove the screw?
Red.
This one.
Red.
Ayan, this one. You remove the connector red. Panis. Akong bahala kayo. Kuya Son yan. Yo, talagang kabisado na. And then you separate this one. And then you need to remove the connector color blue wire. Remove it, Mr. Calventas.
Blue.
Yo.
With white.
And then the white color.
Right. Dito.
The white wire. Pakita mo, baka hindi kita ng viewer yung mga
Right.
Yun, para matuto sila. And then you separated. And this one.
This one is
What call this one? That one.
Buo yata to.
Wag nga Tagalog. English nga ni. Paano tayo maano niyan? You remove the connector, pan motor connector, right, Mr. Calventas? Right? Yes. No. You need to push the clip and then you pull it. Alright? Alright, okay.
Tago-tago.
You need to tago-tago the control.
Tago
Para
para di
di mabasa. Okay. Isang thumbs up naman dyan, Quezon. Quezon. Yo. Akong bahala kayo.